Assembly. Mrs. King, could you please come to the podium?
Kia ora koutou. Good morning, Casebrook. Te kura marako. Very warm welcome to any whānau who have joined us and those that are watching live stream. First of all, I just want to really take a moment to commend every single one of you. We had 3 very formal assemblies, and your behaviour, you were absolute examples of being a super rep, a Casebrook rep. So thank you. Really, really positive way to finish the year. And congratulations to all those that got a prize, a trophy, certificate. And as I said at the Year 8 one, even if you didn't get a trophy, please remember what you've achieved this year. Okay, we all have different paths and achievement looks very different for each of us. So think about yourself and what you've done. So, Year 8s, this is your last formal assembly. You've got a busy week ahead with a number of activities. Please enjoy them. We really look forward to seeing you all at the formal on Thursday night. Now that's a really nice time. It's your final big event at our school. So please, please make an effort. Okay? It's really good if you'll come. Year 7s, you're here on Friday morning. We finish at lunchtime. And then when you come back next year, you become our Year 8s. And we really look forward to that. So I just want to thank you for the year, a really positive year. I want to wish you all a really safe and happy break. And we look forward to seeing our Year 7s back and Year 8s all the very, very best for the future. So thank you, Casebrook.
Mrs. Keane and Mr. Shribling will present the Super Rep badges.
Good morning, everyone. I got the privilege of handing out the last Super Reps for the year, so well done to the following students. We have Lucas Cleverley and Mayan Vincent Hoskins from Room 1, Jasmine Waters from Room 8, Charlie Barnes, Lucy Bell, Aria Dempster, Thomas Thielen, Room 15, and Ryder Cherry, Room 16.
Can all the house leaders please come to the stage?
Congratulations to the following Sawyers House students for achieving a Rep badge. For respect, Alex Barry, Mila Shaughnessy, Lizzie Gilmore, Leo Chai, Andre Hill and Liam Fern. For excellence, Moko Boyd Mana Daniel and Bree Hunter, Owen Williams, Liam Fern, Alex Barry, Owen Bow and Lily Rooney. And for perseverance, Levi Berryman Hale, Quinton Groves, Bree Hunter, Madison King, Ashen McGill, Jake Morrison Clark, Mitchell Oldfield, Savannah Taylor, Natalia McLean, Ben Stribling and Sawani Ulupano.
Congratulations to the following Beaches House students for receiving their RIP badge today. For Respect, we have Oscar Boyd, Katie McFredries, Rory Ballon. For Excellence, we have Jacob Murray, Sadie Smith, Jack Grimwood, Skylar Kemp Inwood. For Perseverance, we have Grace Carney, Liliana Moore, Sadie Smith, Lucy Sayers, Katie McFredries, Caitlin Fraser, and Hannah Witter.
Congratulations to the following Northfield students for receiving a gold REP badge today. For Respect, Prince Tavu, Rafi Proano Mears, Lucy Brazier, Avery Kerr, Imogen Hume, Leo Lamond O'Keefe, Kobe Brewster, Chloe Shefford, Jock Waghorn. For Excellence, Sierra Hayward, Miriama Pahi, Prince Tavu, Lucia Thorne, Jonathan David Hull, David Ham, Ollie Risby, Jaden Rowe, Daniel Vanderberg, and Perseverance, Jonathan David Hull, Miriama Pahi, Rafi Proano Mears, Lydia Roach, Prince Tavu, Lucia Thorne, Claudia Collins, and Lincoln Kerwood.
Congratulations to the following Cavendish House students for receiving their REP badges today. For Respect, we have Jada Paulson, Keisha Larson-Smith, Leo Vickers, Amelia Pugh, Levi Stevens, Ella Botherway, Riley Gwynn, Lane Connor, Oliver Watkins, Lily McMillantosh, Patrick Woodnut, and Sam Rafisura. For Excellence, we have Emma Goodman, Lushan Parish, Cody Pullen-Myers, Nadivan Solomona, and Oliver Watkins. For Perseverance, we have Kahurangi Tikaru, Carly Brown, Liam Gibb, Emma Goodman, Azara Gregg, Lushan Parish, Micaiah Rayleigh, Oscar Robertson, Phoebe Taylor, Lydia Benjamin, Jack Lau, Riley Gwynn, Hendrix Richmond, Natalia Bailey, and Luca Kindness.
So it looks like we are over our 80% mark for STEAM rep, so tomorrow will be a non-uniform day.
Which lucky teacher will win a free coffee this week?
And it's Miss Mackenzie for being awesome and always helping me with my maths badge. Could Miss Kerr and Mrs. Ferrin please come to the stage to present the science badges?
Okay, so on behalf of Miss Kennedy today, I have got the honour of presenting the science badges. First one is Marcus Elms for astronomy. Samantha Baccharis for psychology. Apologies if I pronounce the names wrong, please do let me know. Raphael Priano Mears for food technology. Oscar Boyd, human biology. Ruby Ward, zoology. Katie McPhedries, marine biology. Getasri Joga, environmental science. Erica Ford, food technology. Sahil Sharma, astronomy. Zoe Scott, psychology. Eva Howard, large animals. Nathan Wordsworth, home chemistry. Jason Wordsworth, marine biology. Owen Bow, technology. Amelia McGowan, marine biology. Sophia Davison, large animals. Holly Ryan, environmental science. Rico Ward, agriculture. Fa'alavialave Masoi, agriculture. Lydia Bensman, large animal. Delania, room 8, astronomy. Mila Sutsadella Urquhart, horticulture. Clovis Spicer, zoology. Jasmine Waters, zoology. Annika Hall, astronomy. Gemma Clark, marine biology. Ms. Kennedy also wanted me to apologise if you don't have a badge and only a certificate. They're yet to arrive, but hopefully they'll arrive soon. Let's congratulate these people.
Rightio, I've got a few Science Badge Awards as well. Congratulations to Alana Scott, Emmy Samford, George Rich, Georgia Winder, Sterling Lum. got Mitchell Stacey, Mila Martin Schusterschutz, Blake Burney, Angus Herring, Gagandeep Singh, Hayley Waghorn, Janelle Albert, Janelle, Ben Allen, Clean Ryan Sycat, Ava Martin Shushtashuch, Ava, Aruksha Gupta, Sammy Wu, Medicine Woolhouse, Isaac Lane, Jacob O'Connell, Aman Asghari, Ethan Clark, Jack Quillerton, Kyle Griffiths, Hayley Ritchie, Talia Chen, Miller Devaney, Fern Whittakere, Tom Gainsford, Jay Shri Akilandeshwari J Sabarananth, and Jay Shri also gets another one. I've also got some names in front of me. So bronze, a few people have achieved their bronze badge, and to achieve their bronze badge, students must complete 5 science badges. So that goes to Amelia Sim, Mitchell Stacey, Madison Woolhouse, Tom Gainsford, Angus Herring, Isaac Lane and Elia Hudson. Hoi mai te pakipaki. We also have 2 students who have achieved their silver science badges, and they must complete 10 badges, and this is an incredible achievement, and that goes to Talia Chen and Emmy Sanford. Hoi mai te pakipaki. The Casebrook Intermediate Year 8 Science Badge Above and Beyond Award goes to Isaac Lane. Thank you.
Could Miss Mackenzie please come to the stage to present the maths certificate?
Congratulations to the following students who achieved a maths badge this term. Gitasri Joga for cost of living, Lave Masoi for 2D design, Oscar Boyd for time, Liliana Moore for cost of living, Luca Hodgkinson for cost of living, Liam Winter, the outdoors, Levi Blakely, me, myself and I, Lachlan Clark, me, myself and I, Adam Clark, maths medley, Sterling Lum, cost of living, Michaela Riley, 2D design, Madison Mercer, the outdoors, Alia Wing, the outdoors, Malachi Rattray, the outdoors, Georgia Winder, Me, Myself and I. Lauren Smith, Sport. Quinn Scott, The Outdoors. Owen Bower, Time. Gemma Mundy, Cost of Living. William Young, Me, Myself and I. Cassidy Tokiri, Me, Myself and I. Leo Lamond O'Keefe, Games and Puzzles. Mika Yurmo, Cost of Living. Joshua Roberts, The Outdoors. Storm Piercy, Travel. Charles Kolaka, Time. Take a step back, guys. Sierra Hayward, The Outdoors. And sorry, while we've got everyone here, just hold the applause. For Above and Beyond Year 7 Maths, it's a joint award this term. Year 7 goes to Josh Roberts and Liam Winter. And the Year 8 award goes to Luca Hodgkinson.
Mr. Straker will now present the athletics certificates, followed by the winners of the attendance spin to win.
So a couple of weeks ago, we took about 45 students to Ngāpunawai to compete in the Cames Athletics Championship. These students placed, so if they could make their way to the stage. So our Year 7 boys 100 metre relay team of Andre, Malachi, Gervais and Lincoln all placed third. Medi Saini placed third in the 100 metre Year 7 girls. Daniel Pickering placed second in the Year 8 boys high jump. Then we had a few students place first. So Malachi placed first in the Year 7 boys discus. Mila placed first in the girls Year 7 1500 metres. And Brooklyn placed first in the girls 60 metres, first in the shot put, and first in the discus. Okay, we'll give these students a round of applause. Thanks, guys. Now we've got a couple of Spin to Win videos. We've got 3 Year 7 winners and 3 Year 8 winners. Today, they each win a $30 Kmart voucher. Students who were in the draw had 90% attendance or higher for this term. There was about 290 of you this term, which was a good increase. So our Year 7 winners. If they can make their way to the stage. I'll let the teachers know who the winner is, okay? Can we give these guys a big round of applause?
Jonty and James will now present the interclass basketball certificates.
Kia ora, I'm Angus. And I'm James. We are presenting the class interclass basketball certificates. If your class receives a certificate, can the class leader or the team captain please come to the stage and receive their certificate? We will start with the Year 7s. In third place, room 10. In second place, room 14. And in first place, room 13. For the Year 8 competition, in third place, Whatukura 1, in second place, room 15, and in first place, room 1.
Now we'll find out from Maya and Nalicia who our 2023 compost winners are.
Kia ora, we're your Casebrook Compost School monitors. It's been a fun, what the heck? It's been fun inspecting your class bins to see who's the best. Compost bins can be yuck, so well done to the class monitors who have looked after the bin this year.
We are pleased to announce that your compost bin monitors for 2024 are Quinn and Dimitri. We kept the record of who had the cleanest bin each week over the year and found some overall winners.
Third equal is Whatakura in room 15, second is room 1.
And the class who has consistently had the cleanest compost bin in 2023 is room 13. Could Quinn, the compost king, please come up?
Miss Rennie will now present the EOTC certificates.
Kia ora. This year we started a new EOT extension group that students had to partake in education outside the classroom, which we did river crossing. They learned how to light fires, they learned how to use a compass, they also had to complete a maths badge, and they also had to do a passion project. So we've got some that have earned themselves a participation certificate and some with an excellence certificate. So if you hear your name, can you please come up? Jace, Henry, Jonty, Seamus, Lincoln, Jack, Florence, Levi, Hudson, Katisha, Kobe, Skylar, and then for our Excellence Awards, we have Sierra, Malachi, Avery, Nathan, Josh, Quinn, Madison, John, and Alia. And can we give them a round of applause?
On behalf of Miss Bryan, Miss Mackenzie will now present the Casebrook Challenge certificates.
Congratulations to the students who completed the Super Challenge, which was Minecraft. They had to recreate the school, so well done. Luca Kienis, Seth Cornish, Charlie Owl, Isaac Lane, John Waratini, Riley Davis, Liam Hunter, Liam Winter, Nathan Galbraith, Violet Rayner, Chloe Lindsay, Zachariah Reuter, Jacob Murray, Jake Morrison Clark, Jack Grimwood, Jonathan Cornelius, Bree Hunter, Lily Rooney, Rakaya Smith, Charles Collicar, Maxwell Harris Jenkins, Thomas Walker, Lucas Briggs, and Maxwell Hurring. Can we please give them a round of applause?
We now have rep spin to win.
Welcome to Rep Spin to Win.
We are your hosts, Ethan,
Tom, and Jack.
Each assembly will take 2 rep cards out of the amazing Rep Spin to Win drawer.
And they will get the opportunity to play Spin to Win in front of the whole school.
So let's find out who the lucky winners are to play Spin to Win.
Kyron from room 14. Are you ready to play Spin to Win? Congratulations, you have won a Casebrook cap. Would you like to keep your prize or spin again? Congratulations, you have won a $5 camping voucher.
Levi from room 3.
Are you ready to play Rep Spin to Win? Congratulations, you have won a $5 canteen voucher. Would you like to keep your prize or spin again?
That concludes our last school assembly for the year. Remember, it's a non-uniform day for STEAM Rec tomorrow. School, please stand.